Okay guys, today I'm using the Fairytale's Lice Prevention Rosemary Repel Daily Shampoo. I'm going to be using about a nickel size of the product in her hair. I am a cosmetologist, so I always get good in there when I'm washing. And I make sure that I just kind of detangle with the shampoo. With other shampoos, it's really hard. But I've noticed with this shampoo, it's super easy to detangle. So that's something that I really liked. In this shampoo, it has rosemary, citronella, tea tree oil, and it's super gentle. It's gluten, soy, dairy, and nut free. So after that, I just go ahead and rinse it on out. Her hair is super long and super curly, so it takes a while for me to really just get all of that product out. And then next, I'm going to be using the conditioner. I use about a quarter and a little bit more. I always use a lot of conditioner. If you guys are like me, my conditioner is always the first to run out. But after that, I go ahead and I finger detangle in sections as well, kind of like I did with the shampoo. Now I'm using the conditioning spray. It's a detangler, so I like to spray a good amount of all of that all over her hair before I start getting into the styling. And then I also use the Miele's Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie. Next thing I do is I go ahead and take my wet brush and I detangle. Now I am going in to do a middle braid and put the rest of it up in a ponytail. I'm braiding it to the scalp, and I make sure that I do detangle before I do all of this. A lot of detangling. Now I am taking my small rat tail comb and I'm kind of brushing it up. After the rat tail comb, I go ahead and I start using my brush that I got from the hospital from her when she was a baby. That's the only brush that works on her hair right now. So I'm taking the brush to just kind of clean up what I did with the rat tail comb. And because toddlers, you guys know, are so squirmy, I make sure that I am doing whatever I can to get it super sleek. So now I am putting on her hair tie and I wrap it around like 2 times. And then I go back in with the detangling spray. And then I go ahead and I begin to brush again to make sure that it is super clean and super sleek. After that, I go ahead and I go in for the famous baby hairs to give her a more clean finish look. Here you guys have it, a high ponytail with a little simple braid with the Fairytale's Lice Prevention products. I really hope you all enjoyed my video. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Do what you have to do to show us some love. Again, I'm going to be providing the link in the place where you can purchase these products. And I will see you guys when I come back with another video.